Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I finally received my package from the Puff Cuff. I ordered the variety pack. So just in case you guys were wondering, yes, I spent my own dollars as always on this product, okay? It cost $50. $50 for, well, I want to say 1, 2, 4, 7 clips, I believe. 7 clips, $50. I know you guys are like, damn, that is a lot of money for this. But I think it's kind of worth it. Now that I've used it, I think it's worth it. But prior to all of that, I opened up the packaging. I looked at it and I'm like, damn, $50 for all of this. I hope it is worth it. But anyway, when you open up your package, you get a letter from the owner. I think you note, I should say, your receipt, a business card. And on the back of that business card, it shows some instructions just in case you don't know how to use the product. I feel like it's self-explanatory, but they do have instructions. And there's also instructions on the back of the packaging. So when I initially opened up the package, it was kind of tough. It's one of those packagings that's really nicely sealed to protect the product, which I was happy about. But then I started worrying like, whoa, maybe this product is too thin for my hair. Being somebody who has 4 type hair, we have very, very thick, coarse hair. And I guess when you have thick and coarse hair, it makes it really tough to put on bands. But I found that these products were actually nicely made. Thick material. When I mean thick material, I mean thick plastic. I guess they open and close easy. I noticed that they don't snag on your hair at all. But I feel like I'm going to go more into that in details in another video when I do some styles with it. Because I got a bunch of styles I have in my head that I need to just get on film for y'all. Because I'm excited about that. But yeah, this is pretty much what you get. So you have your 7 different clips, different sizes. That's the 5-inch. I know the size of that one because I've used it the most. It's easy to put on and just go. Like while I'm talking to you guys, I'm wearing the 5-inch right now, just to let you know. Okay. But anyway, that is it for this video. Do not forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, okay? Because if you're not rating, subscribing, and commenting, then you know you're not really active. You're not really supporting the movement and you're not really knowing what I'm doing. Don't forget to hit the bell, because if you don't hit the bell, you're really not going to know what I'm doing because YouTube and the algorithm is tripping. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all as always. Thank you for supporting me, and I will, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Baby,